This video is intended to describe the mechanisms of a transmutation candle crown light construct, which is actually designed to go on top of a Himalayan salt lake candle to catch the negative ion charges of a Himalayan salt lake candle and run a sequence circuit charge, and thereby perpetuate a stabilized environmental energetic augmentation. These guys right here are of the same class of transmutation ratio power packs designed to go in these little purple pouches to be a nice little antithesis to the black ray that actually can go in the pockets relatively easy. I'll start off with these guys right here. This main engine, you guys could say, is a smoky quartz point with brass electroforming, with the primary wire of copper, brass, and silver wrapping like so, creating the blade band of clear quartz with a little black tourmaline in it with hematite to perpetuate a neutral acceleration of the grounding ratio that further augments the main transmutation engine, with a little bit of selenite and black kyanite to clear and ground all the excess energy. These are designed to be very reactive grounders of excess energy, no matter what ratio is running through the frequency system, to ground all excess energy into the Earth plane meridian matrix, which is obviously very advantageous for energy work, so that the excess energy is always grounded successfully. Back to the main candle crown. So starting right here, we have a very simplistic blade band on both sides of just smoky quartz and hematite in ignition sequence, like so, all the way around, wrapped around a primary wire apparatus of, once again, copper, brass, and silver for the receptive, projective, and earth bandwidths of metal frequencies, to have a trinity of the different varieties of metal direction, frequency broadcast-wise, running on brass and silver, the exact same ignition for the receptive, projective balance of the exact same ignition sequence, at least as close as possible. And the main engine of this guy is a hematite quartz, which actually has a little bit of hematite and iron in the quartz matrix to work as a very powerful neutral program carrier, generating the charge, particularly when the current is applied to a Himalayan salt lake candle designed to go on top like so, to perpetually charge the system. And down here is selenite on both sides, which can, of course, be very useful for clearing and harmonizing, accelerating, and purifying the entire vibratory algorithm coursing like so. This right here is scoicite, a lovely white ray of divine nature, which works as a very nice soul star activation antithesis to such a heavy earth star black ray transmutation grounding ratio. To further augment the grounding is 2 pieces of black kyanite, and to further balance out the soul star crown activation is a nice little amethyst marble. And right here is black obsidian locally sourced here from Mount Shasta. And of course, it has its own transmutation power pack blade band of hematite and smoky quartz in succession, like so. Very complementary to these guys, because obviously they're going to the same recipient. And to take a little matter of a tour, it goes on here like so. This is a pre-existing candle crown already set in place with this Himalayan salt candle to produce a negative ion field charge that this blade band of this candle crown can basically catch the positive influence and perpetually power this momentum circuit to produce a very grounded, purified environmental influence, which has its benefits. Anyhows, for anybody watching, thank you very much for taking the roughly 5 minutes to observe this little video, and hope you have a wonderful day and 1,000 blessings. Bye-bye.